Hello all traders. Today is Tuesday, 18th of February 2025, and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If we look at the 1-hour macro chart, we see that the price was above the previous day close and continued to go up during the Asian and London session. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening and news release, the price started to go down sharply and past the previous day high and close and bounced back finally, and the buyers came back and pushed the price higher. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to calm down and have a deep pullback and see the reaction of price to these levels. And when we have a rejection of price at these levels and buyers come back, take long position in a well-established uptrend. So that's what happened, and around 10:40 the price at this point found the support, and then buyers came back and pushed the price higher. So this wave of uptrend here around 10:40 to 11 was taken. We set up C and T repeatedly on Nasdaq, and also we set up T on S&P 500, and since the volatility was high and we reached the target, we finished working on this account for the day. And all these signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you see performance on one of the accounts here which was positive with profit factor of 99, which is infinite because we had 100% win rate from 8 long positions taken. But we can see that the average winning trades were 129 and the largest winning trade was $380. So that was the summary of the trades we have taken on some of the futures prop firm accounts. So on the small 5K CFD prop firm accounts, when I came back after noon to trades, the market was in this area, highly volatile and non-trendy as you see here. So I had only a few long positions with a small lot size because of high volatility and risk. And you can see the entry on S&P 500, which was entered in the lower part of the channel and closed on the upper area, and also 2 long positions on Nasdaq that you see entry and exit again, the same area, lower part of channel, and close on the upper area, and finish the day 10 minutes before the end of market, which is highly volatile, and I don't trade it because of high volatility. So with all these trades now, the total balance is $82.14, and you can see that from the 156 trades, we had 130 winners, resulted in 83% win rate. And this shows the equity curve from the beginning of the second challenge, which is growing consistently, and the percentage of drawdown here, which was kept below 0.5%, 10 times less than the daily loss limit imposed by the prop firm. So since the end of the market is usually non-trendy to trade the CFD prop firm account, I'm working on a system to send the NinjaTrader signals from the futures prop firm to MetaTrader so I can trade them at the beginning of the market, which is more trendy. And I will keep you updated on the progress to finish the second stage of this prop firm challenge. So hope all these trades taken by the past system for fast scalping on the futures prop firm accounts and also the CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.